Hey there, this is Marshall Kirkpatrick, getting ready to launch What's Up With That? That's the name of my new app that I have built. And we are now 5 minutes away from launch. 5 minutes on the shot clock. Want to come along? I'll show you what the last steps are. And then I'll give you a little tour. So this is the gist of it. If you work in fields like strategy, innovation, sales, competitive intelligence, or research, or you're someone who reads a lot of stuff that you'd like to understand more effectively and quickly, What's Up With That is a toolkit, an AI toolkit that you can use to do just that. I'm so excited to share it out with the world. So first, I'm going to do a few things to share it, and then I will give you a tour. So we're going to start with jumping over to Claude Code, and I'm going to say, let's see, remove password from the blog post, announcing it. Remove password from homepage, index.html. 2. Claude Code on the terminal is so powerful. It's just changed my life. It might look a little intimidating, but once you get comfortable with it, it is just a natural language way to communicate with Claude and with code, even as a non-developer. Although, I mean, Claude and I built this code ourselves. Now, let's see. Yeah, good. I'm going to put up the launch announcement blog post without a password. Done. And then, let's see, did we get it? Yep, great. Homepage. All right. Done. You can now go to what's up with that dot app. Oh, didn't. There's a password on there. There we go. All right, let's make sure that is working. Let's see. Yep. Awesome. And the launch announcement. Fantastic. All right. I am going to now check over at Product Hunt. Product Hunt is the site for brand new apps launching. And let's see. What's up with that? Edited. Can I push it live now? I might have to make some changes. There's a space. I wonder. It's scheduled right now to launch overnight. So that may be what we can do. Yep, I bet it is. All right, so midnight that will launch. And now let's go over to the Google Extension Store and go to the developer dashboard and switch this to public. I've been working on this for months and I'm so excited about it. Yeah, there's like 10 seconds left on the shot clock, and I'm going to submit it. Awesome. All right. Done. Pretty cool. All right. Now, you want a little tour? All right. Thank you, Shot Clock. You've done a good job. All right. Let's say here's what we just launched. Yes. Thank you. Thank you. All right. Let's say you are reading an article. I liked this one this morning quite a bit. About the state of AI and its impacts on economics. But I'm not sure. I want to give it a quick read. I'm going to ask, what's up with that? And run the browser extension. And when I do, here's what we're going to do. We are going to figure out what this article is about. Then we're going to quickly build a map in real time of the state of the art in this topic. Now, in this case, this is an article about legacy system modernization. We're going to build a real-time map, and then we're going to compare that map to the article that we're reading and say, here's what stands out about what you're reading. Here are the most notable, significant parts of the article put in context. So it's sort of a you are here, cut right through the noise. Here's what's genuinely new. And that's the core value proposition of what's up with that. But there's so much more. Down here at the bottom, you'll see some basic functions like the simplify button will rewrite whatever you just read in plain language, which is often very helpful. Next read will say, I'm a smart person who would like to learn more about this. What are 2 things I should read next? Including a critical perspective. Speaking of critical perspectives, the critique tool will draft a common sense critique of whatever you're reading. Now, you'll have to judge that critique for yourself, but it's a good running start to critical thinking about whatever you're reading. And then, of course, you can chat and ask questions about the text that's on the page. And if we're able to answer that question with the text that you're reading, what's up with that, we'll provide an answer. But if not, it will offer to do a live web search for you and go and find the answer. Now, you may notice there is a button down here called Power Tools. I am going to probably walk through those in a different video, but check this out. This is a big part of where the power comes in. There are 35 different capabilities here for analyzing anything you're reading. Like, tell me what the foundational reads are in this practice. Because in this topic, I want to read them. Or find the needles in the haystack of a website that I'm looking at. I've got 20 different types of needles in the haystack that this will go and find. Or spin up an expert panel, a synthetic group of subject matter experts. This one's kind of fun. Let's go ahead and run it. That will discuss a question about... Here, let's have them discuss this question, for example. To discuss a question about the article that you're reading from their various points of view. And speaking of points of view, I can click to have the article analyzed from my point of view that I have articulated before, and it'll say, all right, here's the things most relevant to what you're looking for. Or if I'm on a team, I can have our point of view applied as well. There are just tons of different analytical possibilities here. I've got some of my favorites saved. I can get an automatic research plan generated as well. Oh, black page, white text background. That didn't work out well. I will need to go and fix that. But here you can see our synthetic experts. Here's our research plan saying, based on your point of view, this article and the toolbox, this is the sequence of tools that What's Up With That recommends you run. And then you just hit run, and it's going to do it. And as it does it, then all along, we are going to be watching for potential data points relevant to decisions that you have said that you are looking to make. So in this case, none of these decisions I have that I'm researching have had data points found on them, but I'm going to say expand your thinking. What's up with that? And go revisit this one. Now, ordinarily, we'll pick up any data points, quantitative or qualitative, but sometimes you want to ask for a broadened imagination. And now you can see some data points, and I can come in and approve those. They'll be added to my decision drawer, which I can then come in and synthesize all the different data points I've collected. So that's the gist of that. This is a tool box, really a whole box of tools to read smarter, learn faster, and make better decisions. And if you work in strategy, innovation, research, sales, and competitive intelligence, I hope that this will dramatically augment your learning and thinking and help accelerate your work. I'm so excited for it to be available out on the web now. So go and check it out. It's at whatsupwiththat.app, and you can add it to Chrome or Firefox for now. Safari's coming soon, mobile apps coming soon, but get in there and see what you can do with it. Thanks for your time.